In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stremio. To get started, open the Stremio application on your device and give it a moment to fully load. Once it opens, you'll land on the board page, which is the main home screen where Stremio displays featured and recommended content. This is a great place to get familiar with the layout and quickly see what's available. Take a little time to browse the content shown on the board. When something catches your interest, click on any movie or TV show title to open its details page. Here you can read the synopsis, check cast information, and get a better idea of what the title is about before deciding to watch it. If you're ready to begin, just click play to start watching the selected content. You can also scroll further down the details page to explore more information, including ratings, trailers, and related titles. This is useful if you want to compare options or discover similar content without having to go back and search from scratch. Next, head over to the Discover section from the left sidebar. This area helps you browse content more intentionally by using categories and filters. You can narrow down what you see by genre, release year, or popularity, which makes finding something specific much easier. If you already know what you want to watch, use the search bar to look up a movie or TV show directly. From the search results, open any title to view its details page, just like before. If you find something you want to save for later, add it to your library. Then open the library section from the sidebar to view all the movies and TV shows you've saved in one place. This is especially helpful for keeping track of what you plan to watch next. You can also select any saved title from your library to continue watching whenever you're ready. Another useful feature is the calendar section. Open it to browse upcoming episode dates and release dates for shows in your library. You can navigate through different calendar dates to check future releases and stay up to date with new episodes. After that, open the add-ons section from the sidebar. Browse the available add-ons and install the ones you want to use for catalogs, streaming sources, or subtitles. You can also enable or disable add-ons anytime, depending on your preferences. Finally, open the settings section. Here you can adjust playback quality, configure default audio settings, set subtitle preferences, and customize the interface theme and appearance. Save any changes you make, then return to the board and start watching your selected content. Thanks for watching.